Ready? The name of the dance, Nifnuf Shel Zro'ot, which means waving arms. Start with right, on the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 step, 1 step, 1 behind, 1 in front, turn, and cha-cha-cha. Do it with the left, same thing, almost the same. Left, 2, 3, 4, facing out. 1 step, 1 step. Left, right, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. To the center, mind with the right, sway and back. Mind, sway and back. Cross, going out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. Cross from side to side. Turn right, and we're going to the last part. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha, back. 1 behind with waving hands. 1 clap, 1, 2 clap. 1 behind, 1 in front. Doing the same with left. Cha-cha-cha, back. 1 behind, 1 clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. To finish the dance, right, left, right, and back, 2, 3, turn. Only a quarter turn, right shoulder to the center. 1, 2, 3, and back, 2, 3. Now we're doing mind, going out with mind. Right, 2, 3, 4, cross, and turn to the beginning. To end the dance, we're doing the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, touch, 1, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. Cha-cha-cha, cross, and our hand going out to finish the